Hello friends, how are you? Today we discuss power plant engineering. Most important MCQ of power plant engineering. तो दोस्तों बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये वाला जो कि पावर प्लांट इंजीनियरिंग से है। इससे बहुत क्वेश्चन पावर सिस्टम जो है आपका काफ़ी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं इससे। तो बहुत ही ध्यान से देखिए। पावर पावर सिस्टम में आपका सबसे पहले पावर प्लांट इंजीनियरिंग है, फिर जिसमें जनरेशन वगैरह है और इकोनॉमिक्स है, ट्रांसमिशन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है। ये सारे टॉपिक किसके अंतर्गत आते हैं? पावर सिस्टम के। तो दोस्तों इसमें हम पावर प्लांट इंजीनियरिंग में मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 100 MCQ डिस्कस करेंगे आज। और फ्रेंड्स एक आपके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, क्योंकि आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ रहे हैं, व्यूअर्स भी बढ़ रहे हैं। तो ऐसे ही दोस्तों सहायता करते रहिए और वीडियो को शेयर करते रहिए, जिससे कि और भी लोगों को फ़ायदा हो। दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, माय नेम इज़ प्रवंत कुमार राजपूत और माय चैनल नेम PKR इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग। PKR इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग क्या दोस्तों? PKR इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो आप लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। बढ़ते हैं आगे। दोस्तों देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द कमर्शियल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी आर। द कमर्शियल सोर्सेस ऑफ एनर्जी आर सोलर, विंड एंड बायोमास। ऑप्शन बी फॉसिल फ्यूल, हाइड्रो प्लांट एंड न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी। ऑप्शन सी वुड, एनिमल वेस्ट एंड एग्रीकल्चरल वेस्टेस। ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ द अबव। तो दोस्तों आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। इन इंडिया लार्जेस्ट थर्मल पावर स्टेशन इज लोकेटेड एट। इन इंडिया लार्जेस्ट थर्मल पावर प्लांट स्टेशन इज लोकेटेड एट कोटा, सरनी, चंद्रपुर, नेवेली। तो दोस्तों ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी पुराना है, तो हो सकता है अपडेटेड हो गया हो और भी कोई नया पावर प्लांट बन गया हो जो कि लार्जेस्ट हो। तो दोस्तों आप देख लीजिए इसे ध्यान से, और इन ऑप्शन के हिसाब से तो आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन सी। और यदि अभी कोई अपडेटेड हुआ हो तो आपको मिल जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द परसेंटेज O2 by weight in atmospheric air is 80%, 18%, 23%, 77%, 79%। दोस्तों आंसर क्या है इसका? 23%। सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पाया जाता है एयर में? नाइट्रोजन। अगला क्वेश्चन। द परसेंटेज O2 by volume in atmospheric air is 21%, 23%, 77%, 79%। Answer is 21%. The proper indication the proper indication of incomplete combustion is high CO content in flue gases at exit, high CO2 content in flue gases at exit, high temperature of flue gases, the smoking exhaust from chimney. Answer is option A. Question number 7. The main source of production of biogas is human waste, wet cow dung, wet livestock wastes, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। इंडियाज फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट वॉज इंस्टॉल एट तारापुर, कोटा, कलपक्कम, नन ऑफ द above. Answer is तारापुर. In fuel cell, the dash energy is converted into electrical energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, heat energy, sound energy. Answer is chemical energy. Solar thermal power plant. Solar thermal power generation can be achieved by using focusing collector or heliostat, using flat plate collector, using a solar pond, any of the above system. Answer is any of the above system. Question number 11. The energy radiated by sun on a bright sunny day is approximately 700 watt per meter square, 700 watt per meter square, 1 kilowatt per meter square, 2 kilowatt per meter square. Answer is 1 kilowatt per meter square. Question number 12. Thorium breeder reactor are most suitable for India because these develop more power, its technology is simple, abundance of thorium deposit are available in India. These can be easily designed. Answer is abundance of thorium deposit are available in India. Next question. The energy radiated by sun on a bright sunny day is approximately, sorry, same question, next question देखते हैं. 15 question. Rankine cycle operating on low pressure limit of P1 and one high pressure limit of P2. Option A has higher than Reynolds efficiency than the Carnot cycle operating between same pressure limit. Option B has lower the null efficiency than Carnot cycle operating between same pressure limit. Option C has thermal efficiency as Carnot cycle operating between same pressure limit. Option D may be more or less depending upon the magnitude of P1 and P2. Answer is option A. 16 question. Rankine efficiency of a steam power plant, option A, improves in summer as compared to that in winter, improves in winter as compared to that in summer, is unaffected by climate condition, none of the above. Answer is improves in winter as compared that to in summer. 17th question. Carnot cycle comprise of two isentropic process and two constant boiling process, two isentropic process and two constant pressure process, two isothermal process and three constant pressure process. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B. 18 question. In Rankine cycle, the work output from the turbine is given by change of internal energy between inlet or outlet, change of enthalpy between inlet or outlet, change of entropy between inlet or outlet, change of temperature between inlet or and outlet. Answer is option B. 19 question. Regenerative cycle thermal efficiency, option A. Regenerative cycle thermal efficiency, option A, is always greater than simple Rankine thermal efficiency, is greater than simple Rankine cycle thermal efficiency only when steam is bled at particular pressure. Option C is same as simple Rankine cycle thermal efficiency. Option D is always less than simple Rankine cycle thermal efficiency. Answer is greater than simple Rankine thermal efficiency. Option A. 20th question. In a regenerative heat cycle, at optimum value of fraction of steam extracted from feed heating, option A, decrease with increase in Rankine cycle efficiency, increase with increase in Rankine cycle efficiency, is unaffected by increase in Rankine cycle efficiency, none of the above. Answer is option B. 21 question. In a regenerative heating cycle, the greatest economy is affected. Option A, when steam is extracted from only one suitable point of steam turbine. When steam is extracted from several places in different stages of steam turbine. Option C, when steam is extracted from only from the last stage of steam turbine. When steam is extracted only from the first stage of steam turbine. Answer is option D. 23 question. चलिए दोस्तों 22 का आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, इंक्रीज विथ नंबर ऑफ फीड हीटर इंक्रीजिंग। 21 का आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। 23 क्वेश्चन, इन रीजनरेटिव साइकिल फीड वाटर इज heated by exhaust gases, heaters, draining steam from turbine, all above. Answer is draining steam from the turbine. 24 question, reheat cycle in steam power plant is used to utilize heat of flue gases, increase thermal efficiency, improve condenser performance, reduce loss of heat. Answer is increase thermal efficiency. 25 question, mercury is a choice with steam in binary vapor cycle because it has option A, higher critical temperature and pressure, higher saturation temperature than other fluid, relatively low vaporization pressure, all above. Answer is all above. 26 question, binary vapor cycle are used to increase the performance of condenser, increase the efficiency of the plant, increase efficiency of the turbine. Answer is increase the efficiency of plant. 27 question, a steam power station required space equal to diesel power station, more than diesel power station, less than diesel power station. Answer is more than diesel power station. Economizer is used to heat air, feed water, flue gases, all above. Answer is feed water. The modern steam turbine are impulse turbine, reaction turbine, impulse reaction turbine, none of the above. Answer is impulse reaction turbine. 30 question. The draught which a chimney produce is called induced draught, natural draught, forced draught, balanced draught. Answer is natural draught. 31 question, the draught produced by steel chimney as the product compared to that produced by brick chimney for the same height is less, more, same, maybe more or less. Answer is more. 32 question, in a boiler installation the natural draught is produced. Option A, due to the fact that furnace gases being light go through the chimney giving place to cold air from outside to rush in. Option B, due to the fact that pressure at the grate due to cold column is higher than the pressure at the chimney base due to the hot column. Option C, due to the fact that at the chimney top the pressure is more than its environmental pressure. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option B. 33 question, the draught produced for a given height of the chimney and given mean temperature of chimney gases decrease with increase in outside air temperature, increase with increase in outside air temperature, remains the same irrespective of outside air temperature. Option D, many increases or decreases with increase in outside air temperature. Answer is decrease with increase in outside air temperature. 34 question. The draught produced by chimney of given height at given outside temperature. Answer is increase if the chimney gas temperature increases. 35 question. For forced draught system, the function of chimney is mainly. Answer is to discharge gases high up in the atmospheric to avoid hazard. 36 question. Artificial draught is produced by induced fan, induced and forced fan, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 37 question. The draught in locomotive boiler is produced by forced fan, chimney, steam jet, only motion of locomotives. Answer is steam jet. 38 question. For the same draught produce, the power of induced draught fan as compared to forced draught fan is less, more, same, not predictable. Answer is more. 39 questions. Artificial draught is produced by air fans, steam jet, fan or steam jet, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. The artificial draught normally is designed to produce less smoke, more draught, less chimney gas temperature, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 41 question. For the induced draught, the fan is located near bottom of chimney, near bottom of furnace, at the top of chimney, anywhere permissible. Answer is near bottom of the chimney. 42 question. The pressure at the furnace is minimum in case of forced draught system, induced draught system, balanced draught system, natural draught system. Answer is balanced draught system. The efficiency of chimney is approximately 80%, 40%, 20%, 0.25%. Answer is 20%. 44 question. The isentropic expansion of steam through nozzle for the steam initially superheated at the inlet or is approximate by equation. Answer is option A. 44 question. The ratio of exit pressure to inlet pressure for maximum mass flow rate per unit area of steam through a nozzle when steam is initially dry saturated is. Answer is 0.578. 47 question. The critical pressure ratio of a convergent nozzle is defined as option A. The ratio of outlet pressure to inlet pressure of nozzle, the ratio of inlet pressure to outlet pressure of the nozzle, the ratio of outlet pressure to inlet pressure only when mass flow rate per unit area is minimum. The ratio of outlet pressure to inlet pressure only when mass flow rate equal to C. Answer is option D. 49 question. The effect of considering friction losses in steam nozzle for the same pressure ratio leads to increase in exit velocity from the nozzle, increases in exit velocity from the nozzle, decreases in exit velocity from the nozzle, no change in exit velocity from the nozzle, increase or decrease depending upon the exit quality of steam. Answer is decreases in exit velocity from the nozzle. 50 question. The effect of considering friction in steam nozzle for the same pressure ratio leads to increase in dryness friction of exit system, decrease in dryness friction of exit system, no change in quality of exit system, decrease or increase of dryness friction of exit system, steam depending upon inlet quality. Answer is increase in dryness friction of exit steam. 51 question. In case of impulse steam turbine, Option A. There is enthalpy drop in fixed and moving blades. There is enthalpy drop only in moving blades. There is enthalpy drop in nozzle. None of the above. Answer is there is enthalpy drop in nozzle. 52 question. The pressure on the two sides of the impulse wheel of a steam turbine is same, is different, increase from one side to other side, decrease from one side to other side. Answer is same. Question number 54. In case of reaction steam turbine, there is enthalpy drop both in fixed and moving blades. There is enthalpy drop only in fixed blade. There is enthalpy drop only in moving blade. None of the above. Answer is there is enthalpy drop both in fixed and moving blades. 55 question. Curtis turbine is reaction steam turbine, pressure velocity compounded steam turbine, pressure compounded impulse steam turbine, velocity compounded impulse steam turbine. Answer is pressure velocity compounded steam turbine. 56 question. Reactive steam turbine is reaction steam turbine, velocity compounded impulse steam turbine, pressure compounded impulse steam turbine, pressure velocity compounded steam turbine. Answer is pressure compounded impulse steam turbine. Next question. Parsons turbine is pressure compounded steam turbine, simple single wheel impulse steam turbine, simple single wheel reaction steam turbine, multi wheel reaction steam turbine. Answer is multi wheel reaction steam turbine. 58 question. For Parsons reaction steam turbine, degree of reaction is 75%, 100%, 50%, 60%. Answer is 60%. Reheat factor in steam turbine depends on exit pressure only, stage efficiency only, initial pressure and temperature only, all of the above. Answer is initial pressure and temperature only. Question number 60. The value of reheat factor normally varies from 0.5 to 0.6, 0.9 to 0.95, 1.02, 1.06, 1.02, 1.6. Answer is 1.02 to 1.06. 61 question. Steam turbines are governed by the following methods: throat governing, nozzle controlling governing, bypass governing, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 62 question. In steam turbine, the reheat factor increase with the increase in number of stages, decrease with the increase in number of stages, remains same irrespective of number of stages. None of the above. Answer is option A. 63 question. The thermal efficiency of the engine with condenser as compared to without condenser for a given pressure and temperature of steam is higher, lower, same as long as initial pressure and temperature is unchanged. None of the above. Answer is higher. 64 question. In jet type condensers, option A, cooling water passes through tubes and steam surrounds them. Steam pressure through tubes and cooling water surrounds them. Steam and cooling water mix. Steam and cooling water do not mix. Answer is steam and cooling water mix. 65 question. In a cell and tube surface condenser, steam and cooling water mix to give condensate. Cooling water passes through the tubes and steam surrounds them. Steam passes through the cooling tubes and cooling water surrounds them. All of the above, varying in situations. Answer is option B. 66 question. In a surface condenser, if air is removed, there is option A. Fall in absolute pressure maintained in condenser. Option B. Rise in absolute pressure maintained in condenser. Option C. No change in absolute pressure in condenser. Option D. Rise in temperature of condensate steam. Answer is fall in absolute pressure maintained in condenser. 67 question. The cooling section in the surface condenser. Option A. Increases the quantity of vapor extracted along with air. Reduce the quantity of vapor extracted along with air. Does not affect vapor quantity extracted but reduce pump capacity of air extraction pump. Answer is option B. 68 question. Adverse air pump. Option A. Remove air and also vapor from condenser. Removes only air from condenser. Removes only uncondensate vapor from condenser. Removes air along with vapor and also condensate water from the condenser. Answer is option D. 69 question. In a steam power plant, the function of a condenser is to maintain pressure below atmospheric, to increase work output from the prime mover, to receive large volume of steam exhausted from steam prime mover, to condensate large volume of steam to water which may be used again in boiler. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. 70 question. In a regenerative surface condenser, option A, there is one pump to remove air and condensate. Option B, there are two pumps to remove air and condensate. Option C, there are three pumps to remove air, vapor and condensate. Option D, there is no pump and condensate gets removed by gravity. Answer is option B. 71 question. Evaporative type of condenser has steam in pipes surrounded by water, water in pipes surrounded by steam, either A or B, none of the above. Answer is steam in pipes surrounded by water. 72 question. Pipes carrying steam are generally made up of steel, cast iron, copper, aluminium. Answer is steel. 73 question. For the safety of a steam boiler, the number of safety valves fitted are 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is 2 valves. 74 question. Steam turbine commonly used in steam power station are condensate type, non-condensing type, none of the above. Answer is option A, condensing type. 75 question. Belt conveyor can be used to transport coal at inclination up to 30 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree. Answer is 30 degree. 76 question. The maximum length of a screw conveyor is about 30 meter, 40 meter, 60 meter, 100 meter. Answer is 30 meters. 77 question. The efficiency of a modern boiler using coal and heat recovery equipment is about 25 to 30, 40 to 50, 65 to 70, 85 to 90%. Answer is 85 to 90%. 78 question. The average ash content in Indian coals is about 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. Answer is 20%. 79 question. Load center in a power station is center of coal field, center of maximum load of equipments, center of gravity of electrical system. Answer is center of gravity of electrical system. 80 question. Steam pressure in a steam power station, which is usually kept nowadays, is of the order of 20 kgf per centimeter square, 50 kgf per centimeter square, 100 kgf per centimeter, 150 kgf per centimeter square. Answer is 150 kgf per centimeter square. 81 question. Economizer improve boiler efficiency. Why? 1 to 5%, 4 to 10%, 10 to 12%. Answer is 4 to 10%. 82 questions. The capacity of large turbo generator varies from 20 to 100 megawatt, 50 to 300 megawatt, 70 to 400 megawatt, 100 to 65, 60, 650 megawatt. Answer is 50 to 300 megawatt. 83 question. Caking coals are those which burn completely, burn freely, do not form as from lumps or masses of coke. Answer is from lumps or masses of coke. 84 question. Primary air is that air which is used to reduce the flame length, increase the flame length, transport and dry the coal, provide air around burners for getting optimum combustion. Answer is transport and dry coal. 85 question. Secondary air is the air used to reduce flame length, increase the flame length, transport and dry the coal, provide air around the burners from getting optimum combustion. Answer is option D. 86 question. In a coal preparation plant, magnetic separator are used to remove dust, clinkers, iron particles, sand. Answer is iron particle. 87 question. Load carrying capacity of belt conveyor is about 20 to 40 tons per hour, 50 to 100 tons per hour, 100 to 150 tons per hour, 150 to 200 tons per hour. Answer is 50 to 100 tons per hour. 88 question. Method which is commonly applied for unloading the coal for a small power plant is lift trucks, coal accelerator, cranes, tower cranes, belt conveyor. Answer is coal accelerators. 89 question. Bucket elevators are used for carrying coal in horizontal direction, carrying coal in vertical direction, carrying coal in any direction. Answer is carrying coal in vertical direction. 90 question. 90 question. The amount of air which is supplied for complete combustion is called primary air, secondary air, tertiary air. Answer is secondary air. 91 question. In dash system, fuel from a central pulverizing unit is delivered to a bunker and then to the various burner unit. Central, none of the above. Answer is central. 92 question. Underfeed stockers work best for dash coal high in volatile matter and with caking tendency, and anthracite, lignite, bitumens, semi-bitumens and bitumens. Answer is semi-bitumens and bitumens. 93 question. Example of overfeed type stoker is chain grate, spreader, traveling grate, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. 94 question. Where unpulverized coal has to be used and boiler capacity is large, the stoker which is used underfeed stoker, overfeed stoker, any. Answer is overfeed stoker. 95 question. Traveling grate stoker can burn coal at the rate of 50 to 75 kg per meter per hour, 75 to 100 kg per meter per hour, 100 to 150 kg per meter per hour, and 150 to 200 kg per meter square per hour. Answer is option D. 96th question. Blowing down of boiler water is the process to reduce the boiler pressure, to increase the steam temperature, to control the solid concentration in the boiler water by removing some of the concentrated saline water. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C. 97 question. Deaerative heating is done to heat the water, heat the air in the water, remove dissolved gases in the water. Answer is remove dissolved gases in the water. 98 question. Reheat factor is to the ratio of isentropic heat drop to useful heat drop, adiabatic heat drop to isentropic heat drop, cumulative actual enthalpy drop for the stage to total is isentropic enthalpy heat drop. Answer is option C. 99 question. 100 question देखिए दोस्तों. Compounding of steam turbine is done for reducing the work done, increase the rotor speed, reducing the rotor speed, balancing the turbine. Answer is reducing the rotor speed. दोस्तों ये था आपका पावर प्लांट इंजीनियरिंग से 100 क्वेश्चन जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. और दोस्तों यदि वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए चैनल को PKR इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग. थैंक यू दोस्तों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम.